Hey everybody, welcome back to Upgrades Complete, and we are going to be checking out this Ender 3 V2 Screwless Adjustable Spool Holder by Gonzonator1982. And I have to say, this is probably the best one I found yet. Stay tuned. What I love in particular about this design is it's prints in just three pieces. You have your coupling for your far side, your two halves with the sleeve down the middle, and of course each half prints separately, and they interlock together with tabs that actually line up really well in a snap fit for me. And what this does is it fits over your existing spool holder from your Ender 3 V2, which is pretty much the same spool holder on all the machines, and I will be printing these for all the machines. These are those women's headband hair ties, just the rubber bands. One goes along here. It's supposed to secure the two halves together, even though I found out that they are secure enough. You have one that goes between here and here, and then you slide on your reel. You put this end cap over, secure it to the distance you want so it is adjustable, and then throw another rubber band around that side. This spins completely freely on the existing mount, so there's no more jerking, no more sudden stops, nothing. This is a fantastic design, and we're going to look into it a little more deeply on the machine itself. So here we are at the top of the machine, and as you can see, it fits right over the existing spool mount, and it fills it out nicely. Check this out. No movement, no wiggle waggle, and because it's rotating on the existing mount, this assembly spins freely. So smooth as silk, no more jerk, no more problems. This is, I've been through a dozen of prints and different DIYs, and this is absolutely the best that I've come across yet. This is what the back looks like. It just snaps into place. Oh, sorry, snaps into place, and you're good to go. So now with the addition of that spool holder and all the other add-ons, I'm going to call this machine complete. The only thing I have to throw on is my drag chain, and I actually installed the Gyres UI, and I am blown away by the improvements. I'm going to cover that in another video. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, and hope you enjoy it.